Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy mint juice. First, gather your ingredients. About 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, 1/2 cup of water, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. You might also want a natural sweetener, like a teaspoon of honey or agave, to balance the flavors. This simple recipe is perfect for a refreshing drink anytime. Next, combine your fresh mint leaves, 1/2 cup of water, and the squeeze of lime juice into a blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 45 seconds. You want a smooth consistency, so ensure all the mint is finely chopped. If you're using a sweetener, add it now and blend for a few more seconds to incorporate it fully. After blending, it's time to strain your mint mixture. Place a fine mesh sieve over a glass or pitcher and pour the blended liquid through it. Use a spoon to press down on the pulp, extracting every last drop of that vibrant mint juice. Discard the remaining pulp. Serve your freshly made mint juice immediately over ice for a truly refreshing and healthy drink. Enjoy your delicious and healthy homemade mint juice. It's not only incredibly refreshing, but also known for its digestive benefits and ability to cool you down on a warm day. This simple recipe is a fantastic way to incorporate more natural goodness into your routine. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.